Here we are, 2018 Chevrolet Silverado LT Z71 All-Star Edition. Oh my gosh, guys. I cannot believe this. This is potentially the last time I put gas in this truck. It's potentially one of the last times I drive this truck. Probably, if you're seeing this video, this is the last day I own this truck, which is just absolutely mind-blowing to me. Genuinely had no intentions of selling this thing. Y'all know I've spoke so highly about how much I love it. No truck is really, I mean, there's newer trucks and different trucks and stuff definitely have their perks and things that I would like to have and stuff, but nothing was like, I need to sell this truck because this truck has something that I love so much that I need to get rid of this one. It's just not. And this is pretty much the last classic looking Chevrolet that will ever be made. I just ordered this last week. Little lmfscrew. Got baby squad on the back. Dude, I got one of these made because I was like, you know, maybe I'll throw a little bit of merch up. I see y'all in the comments, y'all want something to get. Well, I've never really done that, and now we're selling the truck, so that's kind of sad. But you know, maybe we'll do that as a memorial if y'all want those, or maybe in the next vehicle we'll do them as well, or we can do them for Larry or Earl or whatever the case. But definitely comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to see some of those available for sale. The past couple days I've been debating this. I've had so many emotions. I'm sad, I don't want to sell it, but this is a big opportunity to sell this thing at a great price and, you know, change it up. We've had this thing for 3 years. I've done basically everything you can possibly do to one except for lift it. I was happy with the sizes I could fit on it now. I like the way it looks, leveled, with big wheels on it. I don't know, I've had a lot, yeah, I'm rambling. So, yeah. I'm about to vacuum this thing out. Man, it's looking like this truck is fixing to get sold. So, same thing with the Duramax. When you get an Instagram message and it turns out they actually got money, you kind of have to sell the truck. So, this is a deal that I would never get. I know at dealerships or anything, maybe if I put it out for sale to all of y'all, maybe someone else would pay this for it. Makes me a little sad right there.
Yeah, I love the exhaust.
Yeah.
I've never like really pulled the trigger on doing like trues. I've always done like wide pipes or something.
Right.
But that's already done. So
Real.
I mean, I've always wanted it, but I don't know. I'll probably get tired of it. But
Yeah. I hadn't. It gets annoying sometimes on cold starts whenever I'm trying not to wake up everybody. But
yeah.
I was also a little hesitant knowing that I'm going to see it a lot if you do buy it.
Yeah.
Because I kind of don't like that.
Yeah.
But then again, I kind of do like it. So
Yeah.
everything I've ever sold was out of state, so I've always not had to deal with like,
Yeah, seeing it every day.
oh, that's my old truck.
No, we'll definitely stay in touch.
Yeah, if you do buy it and you keep it long enough, when I get something else looking right, and we'll have to put them together again.
Yeah.
I know once the ordeal, if you do buy it and I get something else, it'll ease my pain.
Yeah. It's hard when somebody offers you.
Yeah, it's hard to refuse cash money.
Yeah.
You think it'll keep it leveled or?
Yeah, I'll keep it level.
Yeah.
Let the trucks, you gotta drive them. Like,
Yeah. Can't just.
I don't know if that makes sense, but
yeah. You gotta be mindful.
yeah. I'm done with all that.
Yeah. That's what everybody wanted me to lift this, but I was like,
I mean, it's fun for, don't get me wrong, like, maybe if you don't don't daily it or
right, yeah.
but
I liked when I got these on there because I didn't rub any. I was like, man, I can freaking drive everywhere.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah, that GMC you had probably was pretty close going through here.
Yeah, it was.
Literally last drive, baby squad. It's not even mine. He's already paid me. We've already signed the papers.
He let us take it one more time.
Yep.
For a joyride.
Yep. Time to do a big burnout. No, I was kidding. No, but yeah.
This is very emotional for me.
It is for everybody. It's for them too. People have been watching this for 3 years.
That's true, but it's like super sentimental to me and you and our relationship.
For sure. Well, we get to start something fresh. Start a new one. I'll also put all of his Instagram and stuff in the description so y'all can carry along with Baby Squad. He's had a bunch of trucks, but he said he's going to keep this one. We'll see, but...
He better! You better!
Nah, I don't want him to because, well, I say that. I want him to, but at the same time I don't because I will literally see it.
Every day.
Almost every day.
We will.
And that's going to make me cry because guess what? Earl's fixing to go on daily duty. And I'm going to be driving Earl up saying, oh, there's my old 2018. Yep, this weekend we going test driving. You know what makes me sad though? The new trucks don't come with this exhaust setup to where they have different cats. So if I got a new one, it can't sound like this exactly.
Get your money back.
I know, I'm so sad.
So it won't be loud?
It'd be loud, but it won't be like this. Yeah. So.
It's really cool. Sorry.
It's alright, it's just my last drive. No big deal. And let me know if you cried in this video.
I did.
So, Baby Squat's officially sold. I know no one saw this coming, including myself. What's your Instagram?
Bladen_Adams.
I'll put it in the description so y'all can follow along. I know some of y'all been here for 3 years, so this is insane. So, last look at Baby Squat. It'll be in another video. Once I get something else, we're gonna link back up. We'll have Baby Squat and then the whatever else I get in there. So, man, crazy. I really just sold my truck. Oh my gosh. I'm crying on the inside, but I'm excited. All right, guys, well, after watching all that footage, I actually looked really sad and stuff in that video, and it's because I had just a whirlwind of emotion. I went from literally no intentions on selling the truck to the next day the truck is sold. And y'all know how much that truck meant to me. A lot of great memories. Absolutely love that truck. Will think the highest thing of it for forever, no matter what truck I get from here on out. But I want to end the video off with a good note. I'm excited. Big things to come. About to go meet up with Mead and Gear, and we're going to go do some test driving. F-150, Ram, and Silverado. Do we stick with the Silverado GM family? I'm not going to get a GMC. I don't like the GMCs. I'll admit that right now. But do we stick with GM? Getting a new truck, potentially. Do we stick with Silverado? Or do we branch out, get the new F-150, or possibly even the Ram? I've never really been a Ram person, but the interiors on those things are insane. The engines, the 5.7, I think they're pretty good. I know they're pretty powerful. The new body Rams do look pretty good to me. The new F-150s, I guess people are torn on them because they just came out this year. There's a couple reasons why I wouldn't get one of those. Man, there's like a boatload of turkeys over there. I don't even know if you can see them. One being the 5-liter got cylinder deactivation for 2021. So first year with that, that's a little sketchy. Don't really know if I should stick with that. Then we got Silverado, which y'all know I've kind of been torn on Silverado. I don't really know if I really wanted a new body Silverado. I do really like them, but y'all saw my videos in the past where I kind of critiqued some of the things that I just thought weren't really an upgrade, but we'll see. We're gonna test drive them. There's a dealership in Bessemer, Alabama that has Ford, Chevy, and Ram like within a mile of each other. So I'm just gonna straight up go up in there like, hey, I just sold my truck yesterday. I've got a chunk of cash. I'm not buying anything today. I want to test drive this, and I'm going to the next dealership. I want to test drive this, and we're gonna say, like, what's the nicest V8 truck you got here for 50 grand? We'll say that, and see what they give us. We're gonna test drive them, see how we like them. But as for now, Earl is just out here looking good. Absolutely no one here. It just came a complete downpour. I'm about to have to go. I'm about to leave for work. So thankfully, the rain subsided for a minute for me to shoot this video. But dude, look at Earl. Earl looking freaking good. Earl's not bad of a daily. I know after watching all the comments or seeing all the comments about the exhaust, a lot of people hating. And then that's fine. That's fine. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. I wanted to do something different. And if that offended you, then, you know, hey, I'm sorry that affected your day. Like I said, I just want to end this video off on a positive note. I was just starstruck during the beginning of this video, and I didn't film great, and I didn't react great, and there's a lot of things. But anyways, Baby Squat's not off the channel forever. So Bladen, he is local to me, and we're gonna have it back on the channel when I get something new and fixed up a little bit. Then we'll be able to sit it side by side with Baby Squat. And I'm never gonna say anything bad about Baby Squat, no matter what kind of vehicle I get. Chevy, Silverado, 16 to 18, best Chevrolet body style that you could get, classic looking. I just absolutely will always love that body style. That truck specifically, loved it to death. I'll never speak bad on it. I'm not gonna be one of those people that, like, if I got the F-150, I'd be like, oh yeah, here's the new 5-liter F-150. It's 1,000% faster than my old 5.3 was. No, I'm not gonna be one of those people. Even if it is true or whatever the case, just no. That truck is crucial. I loved it. It made this channel. It started it, jump-started it. Obviously, y'all are here for all the vehicles, and to look at me sometimes, I guess that's as weird as that is to say, for me to be on this journey with y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. We're out of here. We're going to test drive. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what I should get. I'll see y'all on the next one.